Hey friends, this is Dr. Diane from the Shenandoah Valley Discovery Museum. In addition to doing Yoda yoga, it's also important for us to be in our tip-top fighting shape. So we need to be in super duper shape to take on the Empire. So we're gonna do some Rebel Alliance exercises right now. If you do not have Yoda to hang out on your back and help you train, grab a backpack, fill it with some books. That way you're carrying a little extra weight and come and exercise with me. Are you ready? Let's go. All right, so with Yoda on your back, you're gonna start by doing jumping jacks. Are you ready? Here we go, we're gonna count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now we are gonna hop on one foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, sometimes when we are leading the Rebel Alliance, we have to be able to leap over craters, and we have to be able to jump from one ledge to the other. Remember in the Death Star? So we're gonna practice doing some leaps over my barrier. So you're gonna wanna run. Ready? Run and jump. All right, we're gonna do it again. Here we go. Get ready, get set, run and jump. Do that a few more times. Here we go, up and over. And we're gonna go up and over. So you can jump up and over as many times as you want. Now, it is super important that you are able to run fast, because sometimes we have to escape with the plans of the Death Star, right? So, grab your Yoda, and we're gonna race. We're gonna run to the tree back there, and then we're gonna come back to home base. You ready? May the Force be with you. Here we go. Excellent, that was awesome running. All right, so a couple other things you need to be able to do. You have to be super duper strong. You need a strong core. So we've done jumping jacks, we've run in place, we've leaped, we've jumped, we've run distance. So the next part of our Rebel Alliance boot camp is we're gonna practice crunches with Yoda on our back. So watch me. We're doing our Yoda crunches. We're gonna lean back, hold on tight to Yoda, and come back up. And let's do this for 20 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can we go faster? 7, 8, 9, 10. 11. Is Yoda getting heavy? You can do it. 12, 13. Only a few more. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. You guys are awesome. All right, so the last thing we have to do when we're working out in Yoda Boot Camp is we need to stretch. So we're going to sit cross-legged, hold on tight to Yoda, and I want you to stretch your arms out. I want you to reach up to the sky. Remember, we're embracing the Force, and we're gonna bring it back in. You all have done a fabulous job in Rebel Alliance Boot Camp. Go have fun, and may the Force be with you.